Hello, welcome back to 𝒓𝒂𝒅𝒊𝒏𝒈 Trading YouTube channel. This channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna give you something reasonable that will help you to actually succeed in this trading industry. Okay, this motivational speech advice will make you a multi-million dollars profitable trader. Okay. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube will push us to a higher level of audience. The problem a lot of traders have is lack of motivation. Okay, if you are still losing money, make sure you watch this motivational speech to the very end. Okay, number one is capital protection first. Okay, right here, a lot of traders actually want to make quick money, forgetting that when your capital is zero, you cannot be able to place trade. So what you need to do as a beginner or as a frustrated trader who have lost a lot of money is to work hard on capital protection, and this means you should stop revenge trading. You should stop trading the wrong direction. You should actually stop trading without the full knowledge of the market. So that is capital protection for you. The next thing is right trade. You should learn how to get the right trade. You should work hard to run top-down analysis just to get the right trade. Okay. Number three is patience to wait for right trade. You should learn how to have patience to wait for right trade. Okay. I don't know, a lot of traders are making it in the first few months, and the upcoming times, like maybe in a couple of years to come, they actually start losing again. You learn how to have patience for the right trade. Okay. The next thing is right knowledge for you should actually have the right knowledge in the market. Have the right knowledge of the market. Okay. That is very important for you to go far in this kind of market. Now the next thing is take profit management. If you're a beginner trader or a trader that keep losing, it's because you want to make all the profit at the same time, which is not going to work. You should learn how to manage your profit so that you can be able to build your capital and make a good withdrawal. Now the next thing is you should not put yourself into revenge. The next trade should not be a revenge, and this is very important because revenge is very risky. You're gonna lose more money doing revenge. And then the next thing is make sure you keep withdrawing your profit and some part of your capital for investment in other stuff that can give you enough capital so that you can make further deposits for maximum profit, and that way you become a successful trader. Thank you and keep coming to this channel. Bye for now.